Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to introduce the new Redmi 14C, one of Redmi's latest smartphones that's creating a buzz in the market. Although I haven't personally used this mobile yet, I've gathered all the impressive details and trust me, it's worth checking out. The Redmi 14C features an immersive 6.88-inch dot drop display with a high refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, delivering a truly cinematic viewing experience with vibrant colors and smooth visuals. Under the hood, it's powered by a robust MediaTek Helio G81-Ultra octa-core processor, paired with 4 GB of RAM, and with memory extension technology, you can even boost it up to 8 GB or beyond for seamless multitasking. For photography lovers, the phone packs a 50-megapixel AI dual camera system that captures ultra-clear images, while the upgraded 13-megapixel front camera with night mode ensures stunning selfies in any lighting. Its elegant design and ultra-slim 8.2 2mm body with a rounded, stylish finish makes it a head-turner available in black, green, purple, and blue. Battery life is another highlight, thanks to a massive 5,160 mAh battery that supports 18-watt fast charging, keeping you powered up for longer, whether it's for work or play. With a PTA-approved official brand warranty and premium build quality, Redmi 14C is a blend of style, performance, and reliability. Priced at 29,999 rupees and available at a special sale price of 26,499 rupees starting February 19, 2025, this is an offer you don't want to miss. So, if you're ready to elevate your mobile experience, check out the affiliate link in the description below. It supports the channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates and reviews. See you in the next video.